There it is, the new Ironwood 885. Now we gotta get this thing upstairs. And I called my brother Ricky over, the Bud and Mary's YouTube channel. There he is. Muscle. But last time we carried it up there, we didn't open up the box all the way. It was brutal, it was heavy. This time we're gonna cut the box open and get some of the weight out and then move it up piece by piece. So when you get your Traeger, this is what it's gonna look like when you open it. And that thing is big and heavy in there. We're gonna open this up because I bet there's something in here too. I knew it. See, last time we didn't get all the stuff out of it, and that's why it was extra heavy with that Pro. All right, we gotta go up the stairs. Here we go. Oh yeah. Thing's heavy.
What about opening the gate when you get to the top? So go Dada. And Ricky, go Ricky.
We're almost there.
No, you're not taking it inside.
Yeah, we are.
You can live outside for a night.
No.
Giant grill going inside the house.
Ooh, the Traeger's down, it was heavy. You're gonna help Dada put the wheels on, Sadie? All right, Sadie's got the camera now.
Hi.
We got all the legs here, so we just gotta put these on, and didn't look too bad. I think the old one was more work to put together. Oh, here we go. Look at this box here, Sadie. What we got there? That's nice. I want to thank you for choosing Traeger. You got that? The directions? Yeah.
Mama, help the directions.
Yeah, there you go. All right, you even got your toolkit to put the couple pieces together you gotta put together. There you go. Get them up there. Good job. Sarah, you gonna help Mama? Now, if you guys don't know, Sarah grew up in a hardware store. Her family's had one down here for a really long time. Once she saw these screwdrivers and nuts and bolts, she couldn't help but get involved. And this makes it easy.
No,
the legs,
this makes it.
Oh, that makes it easy there. There you go, perfect. The legs are all marked here and numbered. You know, so that says 4, and right there it goes into 4. So easy enough.
Hold these.
We'll get these legs out here, bolt them down. You want the new grill, Sadie?
Yeah.
Are you excited about it?
Put it together so we can cook.
You put the leg on backwards.
No.
So these screw holes have to go on the inside, guys. Sarah did it.
And no, explain to everybody that Nick, the only thing Nick did was come in here and he shoved this leg in the hole and then he left.
Paul called me from Freeman and he distracted me.
What are we gonna do with him? Sadie, bring back those screws. Thank you. Alright, just sleep out there with all your Traegers now. See you tomorrow.
So we gotta season the grill now. It's all together. We put it together last night. We're gonna start out with some hickory. That's one of our favorites. See, that's different too. The whole bag fits in this one. The old grill, I think about 3/4 of it fit in there, I believe.
So we have to prime the auger first. So the auger is like the little wheel that sucks in the pellets. So it's empty, there's no pellets in it. Priming complete. So now it says we're gonna turn the grill on 350 and push ignite to start. And again, we're seasoning the grill. So this is the first time it's being run since we assembled it. And it's just gonna heat up everything that's inside, all the internal pieces, and like kind of burn off all the oil and everything. It comes all lubricated from like the factory and stuff, so they just burn off all that stuff so you can use it to cook with. So here we go.
So we're back in the kitchen. We crushed the lobsters. We got 21, you know, just a few away from our limit. We kept a few whole ones, and I wanna go through them with that new Traeger. We're gonna put on some olive oil from Olive Murata. And I finally got it lined up, you guys. If you guys wanna try this olive oil, I got a StanzFam pack there. I'll put the link in the video description. But we got Persian lime, lemon, garlic, and then to throw in a bonus vinaigrette for you. We're gonna sprinkle some Florida Sunshine seasoning on it. And then also we're gonna put some fresh limes on top of it. And this is gonna be like a Key West, you know, island style whole lobster. Sadie, are you ready for lobster?
Nah.
Oops, look at all the juice coming out of there. There we go. Put him there like that.
Dang.
Here we go. We're gonna get rid of all that stuff there. Last time I left it in, I know some people leave it in, but I think I would have liked it a little bit better if I got rid of all of it, so there we go. We're getting those guts all out.
Oh, he's got a lot of meat in his head.
Yeah, quite a bit of head meat, huh?
Is he done? Is he clean?
I think he's as clean as he's gonna get, so.
All right.
We're gonna spread him open here, get his tail open. We've got a whole lobster about to go up on that new Traeger.
Wow.
And we really washed out most of that stuff there, so
Yeah, that
they
looks
cleaned it
good.
up nicely and looks a lot better. We are gonna go with Persian lime olive oil. We're gonna load them up on it. We're gonna coat it in there nice and good. We're gonna rub it in a little bit. There we go, just like that. Get on the outside of that head meat. And we're gonna throw some of this Florida Sunshine seasoning on it. Oh, that looks good there, guys.
Dang, that looks so good.
We're just putting fresh limes on. I thought they were key limes. I keep saying key limes, so.
You live in the Keys, you can say key
Yeah.
lime.
Fresh whole lobster, ready to go on the Traeger. We got it at 500 degrees. We're gonna cook them hot. Last time we smoked them a little bit slower. This time we're doing a little bit different. There he is. I can't wait to go try him.
That's good.
Kelly, are you excited to try this?
I am super excited to try this. I didn't realize that there's so much meat left in the head of the lobster.
We ready?
Man, we're pounding this bread.
Ready.
We got the zucchini on. We got a few tails on. Whole lobsters are going on now. See if I can do this without spilling them.
One-handed, let's go.
Let's go. Here we go.
Don't burn
Ooh, it's
yourself.
hot. Yeah, the key is to do it without burning ourselves.
That
There we
looks
go.
awesome.
Now we got the big one too. This is a big spiny lobster right here for the Florida Keys. That's a good size one.
Oh yeah.
Let's see if we can get him up inside here.
How did you not burn yourself?
It ain't over yet.
Oh my gosh.
Here we go.
That looks insane.
Alrighty, the feast is ready. We'll check back in about 15 minutes. All right, everybody, we're out here about the lobster. The water is really clear. It's a little dirty and short because of a lot of wind we had. But we got my buddy Eric back there. We got Sassy Sarah there. We've got Kelly here. That's Kelly Young. Check her YouTube out. She does a bunch of stuff on the boat all the time. We need to catch lobster to throw on the Traeger. And I'm gonna make a video. We're gonna show catching a few lobsters underwater. And then we're gonna show cooking them on that new grill. But check out Kelly's video, because if we catch lobster, she's gonna make a full video of it and hopefully it'll be good action. But what I really wanna show you is this right here. And look at this tickle stick. This ain't no ordinary tickle stick. I mean, he looks like the Grim Reaper. This is Eric's custom tickle stick. He says it gets the job done. We're gonna find out.
Oh yeah, we're gonna reap them up.
They're everywhere.
Eric got another one for the box.
There you go.
Let's go.
Nice one. Nice lobster for you money. Want the net back?
Sure.
Keep catching them. There you go. We're getting them now.
Got one.
Thanks, Sassy Sarah.
That's a nice one. That is a good one. It's pitchy. It's pitchy. Woo. That's a gorgeous one. Out in the sand. Come on.
And like I said before, this is the best way to lobster. I mean, you send the girls in there and they catch you dinner right there. I drive, they dive. You know, Sarah's pregnant. She's almost 7 months pregnant, like 6.5 months pregnant, so she's still out there getting it done with Kelly. And Eric's catching a few too. Look at the size of that lobster.
Healthy one.
He's a big one.
So that lobster right there, you know, this could be the new pinchy. A few years ago we had a pet lobster and we would need a new pet lobster. We'll keep them there, maybe we'll fatten them up and maybe, you know, we'll eat them at the end of season, but check this lobster out right there. That right there is a big Florida spiny lobster. That is a really nice one. And I think that's gonna be the new pinchy. He's gonna have a nice life in the cage next to the broad-minded back at Bud and Mary's. And we're gonna grow him up and fatten him up. See if he molts while we got him in there. It'll be like the Simpsons episode where Homer ate Pinchy. But this will be Pinchy, maybe Sadie will eat him. Maybe the new baby will be here by then and she'll eat him. In the hole you go, Pinchy.
Ooh, that was such a sick shot with a hogfish. Yeah, I thought that was a good size hogfish.
He's grabbing on to me.
Good job, Cal.
Thanks.
He's definitely a keeper. This is a nice one. Biggest one in the Florida Keys.
Eric ran right past him.
We found Pinchy. I think we found Pinchy.
Woo, let's go get some more. That's so interesting.
That might have been him.
So everybody's getting out of the water. Turned out to be good. You know, we caught a few in the beginning, then it was slow. When I say we, I mean I didn't really catch any, I just drove the boat. But ended really well, and we're gonna count them up here soon, see how many we got. You guys see all these lobsters? 21 of them. 3 shorter of a limit, but it was the most Kelly's ever seen caught. She killed it, Eric killed it, Sarah killed it. I need a new Pinchy. I want a pet lobster. This is one of the bigger ones. He's gonna go in the cage. Come check him out. Now he's gonna live in there. We're gonna fatten him up and grow him like a cow in a pasture, you know? Then one day we're gonna eat him. And I got the name Pinchy from The Simpsons. You know, Homer had a pet lobster named Pinchy, and he grew him, he loved him, and he ate him. So we'll see if we eat him or not, but we're gonna put him in here. There's a nice habitat in here. Now we'll feed him. We'll feed him like every day. We'll give him fresh fish carcasses, tuna, mahi, swordfish. We're gonna start growing him. We'll see how big he gets. So we'll check back in on him in the next week, I'd say.
Say, once season ends, aren't you gonna have to eat them?
Yep, so when season comes to an end, either we're gonna have to eat them or let them go. I think me and Sadie are gonna eat them though. Look at these bad boys. Oh yeah. Look at that.
Oh my god, they
Hot stuff coming through. Oh yeah.
Oh, so awesome.
Whew. And I will say, so one of the main differences between this grill and the old 780 Pro, this one gets 500 degrees. It is 500 degrees. I promise you, it is hot out here right now. So it does get hotter.
I think Nick's really outdone himself this time. What? They look amazing.
They
We're gonna see how they taste.
like 5 hours ago.
I'm gonna split it and take half here. And
I can't believe how much meat is in there.
So there's quite a bit of meat in the head there. And, you know, I've always done a few whole lobsters ever, but we're getting better at it. Can you smell it? Look at that meat, you guys.
That looks
Can you smell it, Sadie? Oh,
She's into the rice.
should we give Sadie a bite first? Sadie deserves the first bite. Let's see if Sadie will eat it. Want some, Sadie? Want to try a bite? Do you like it? Is it good? She didn't spit it up, so that's good. All right, she likes the rice. All right, we're going back. Lobster going down, whole lobster on the new grill. Caught by Kelly and Sarah and Eric. I drove the boat. Here we go.
Hard to beat.
Super good. You don't even need butter with it, to be honest with you. But I want to get everyone else's opinion so they can tell you too, because I'm a fisherman. I might fib occasionally. All right, everybody dig in. So Kelly's gonna give us her opinion. She's gonna tell you what it tastes like. She caught these lobsters, they're hard earned. You know, check her YouTube channel out. Kelly Young, I'll put the link in the description below.
All right, no butter.
Thank you.
Your seasonings.
Ooh, that's hot. Well, what do you think?
It's moist and it has a little bit of like a charred taste because of the Traeger.
Perfect.
It has a Traeger taste to it. I love it.
Professional opinion, right?
So did you eat all of it?
Yeah, I mean, wait, what?
Would you eat all of it?
Man, watch me.
There you go.
Yeah, I didn't mean to do that.
There you go.
Have a little bit more butter.
I'm putting
Should I just grab a tail?
truffle
Yeah.
sea salt on mine.
Mama, butter.
You want some sea salt too? Some truffle salt?
What them that? Ooh, yum.
Very good. Who doesn't like lobster?
Does it taste better since you caught it?
I've caught all the lobster I've eaten this year.
There you go. But now we need these guys' opinions.
I think this one tastes like Eric caught it.
It was a little tense, a little stressed out.
Yeah, I was chasing it for a while. Is it good?
Right, the smoke.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You can taste
Smoky.
it?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, awesome.
Alright.
The
No
moment
butter.
of truth. No butter? Let me know what you think about the butter. I don't think you need it.
A little lime.
Don't
the
eat it
ones I
at
do.
all. Butter is a scam.
That's what
Lime makes it. Butter is a
There you go.
scam.
the Traeger rub on it.
Look at this piece
Lime
here.
makes it.
Can you taste the lime on it? There you go. Perfect.
Awesome.
I put butter on it already. I feel like a fraud, but
All right, we're getting back to dinner, you guys. Hope you all enjoyed that video. That's the new grill, catching lobsters with Kelly, Eric, and Sarah. We'll see you all next time.
Sadie's eating lobster.
Say you eating lobster? We'll see you all next time. Hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. And subscribe to her channel as well. Kelly Young right there. Say bye, Sadie.
Bye, Daddy.
There you go.
Bye, Stacey.